Hello, I'm Marie. I'm one of the Directors of Studies at IH Manchester, and today I'm going to show you how to use a learner dictionary. So, what do you usually do if you find a word in English that you don't understand? For a lot of students, the answer to that question is Google Translate or a similar kind of translation app or device. But I'm going to show you a much better tool you can use, not only to help with understanding the meaning, but also to give you more information and help you to improve your English in general. Here we have the Oxford Learner's Dictionary, which is created especially for students, so everything is written in a simple way and with useful information. There are other learner dictionaries available, but we always encourage our students to use the Oxford Learner Dictionary. Let's see an example together. If I look for the word travel, I want to know the meaning. It's written here in a very simple way to go from one place to another, especially over a long distance. But after the meaning, we need to know other information if we want to use the word correctly. So a learner dictionary will give you lots of example sentences, examples of how to use the language, examples of collocations, that means words that go together naturally. So for example here, travel extensively, to go traveling, etc. Also prepositions, to travel around the world. So these are really useful information about the grammar of the word, how to use it correctly. Because travel is a verb here, we need to know the different forms. Is it regular, irregular? What's the past tense? What's the spelling with ing, etc. Click on verb forms. You will find all of them listed here, and again with pronunciation. If we scroll down, we find different definitions. Most words in English have more than one meaning, so we find really clearly the different meanings. And at the bottom here, there is an idioms box. So if this word occurs in an idiom, we can find the meaning of that expression. You can also search for not just one word alone, but you can search for expressions, idioms, groups of words together, and you will find the meaning for that phrase. Here we can check the meaning of the noun travel if we want to. We can find other similar words or words that occur close to this word in the dictionary. Using a learner dictionary is really useful to help you practice more English because you are reading the definition in English, you are thinking more in English. It will help you to become more natural. It also helps to avoid mistakes. Sometimes when we translate, there is a mistake in the translation, or it's not easy to find an equivalent translation in your language. So this way it helps you to be clearer and to understand the meaning. I hope you find that useful. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy using a learner dictionary, and I wish you good luck on your language learning journey.